Do you know what these curious little Delftware objects were made for? At first glance, they may look like small vases or decorative urns. In reality, they were used for something far more ordinary and at the same time extraordinarily luxurious. Sugar, once known as white gold, a delicacy that reshaped Europe from the 17th century onwards. By the 1660s, Amsterdam had become the refining capital of Europe, producing more than half of all refined sugar consumed on the continent. And as sugar became central to daily life, Delft potters created refined vessels to serve it. Some sugar casters were modest blue and white examples, filled from below and closed with a cork. Others, painted in bright polychrome, reflected the cheerful Rococo fashion of the mid-18th century. Each of them tells a story of shifting tastes and changing habits. But amongst them all, one stands apart, this tall and elegant caster dating to around 1710. It is marked for Lambertus van Eenhoorn, the owner of the Metaale Pot factory, one of Delft's most renowned. Slightly larger than most, with a threaded neck and a rare screw-on cover, it combines the ingenuity with refinement. A vessel that reflects both the luxury and the inventiveness of its time. And while today it is admired as a work of art, its function remains beautifully clear. After all, it was made to serve. Born of an age when sugar was luxury itself, this caster stands as a refined expression of Delft's artistry and imagination. Did you enjoy this movie? Click here to watch another like it, or click the circle to subscribe to our channel and be notified when we upload new ones.